A couple of times throughout this tutorial we've done something like this. We've taken text, and notice here before we get going I've taken a document we've used before and I've changed some of the headings and I've added some things to it just to kind of set this module up on changing themes and changing page background. But what I was saying is that we've changed the font color, for example, and we've chosen from this theme color. The same thing holds true. We can actually change not only the font color but the entire color of the document itself. If we go to the page layout tab in our ribbon, we have this page background section here, and one of the choices that we have is a page color, where we can add or change the entire color of the page. So we can make it just a little bit maybe off-white, gray, and we can choose from these theme colors. Now we can use other standard colors as well, but it's generally not a good idea to stray too far from the theme because those theme colors complement one another fairly nicely. So again, you can make your selection here. That tan works fairly good here for what we want to do. So notice we've got a blue line and we've got blue text in our heading, and we've got a different shade of blue for our heading 2. So if we go to the Home tab, notice that this is from heading 2 style, this style heading 1, and that's the color it uses. So we can change the theme of the entire document as well. If we go back to this page layout tab, and this is really what the module is all about, it's just to point out this themes section. This is not quite as powerful as you might see in maybe if you use PowerPoint and apply a theme to your slides, but still you can make sweeping changes to everything that's in a document, not only the background but other elements as well, in your themes drop down dialog box here, your drop down gallery. So the Office theme is the current one. You can change to Apex, for example, or to Flow, and really this is just something that's personal choice, whether or not you like it and whether or not you think it fits, and just exploring, making some clicks to change it. So for example, now we have the Urban theme, and the Urban theme uses a different set of colors. In fact, did I say Urban? I think I chose Verb. I chose Verb. There's Urban right there. But Verb uses its own set of custom colors. Those are the theme colors for Verb. So if I change the color now of the font, notice those theme colors are quite different than the ones that we used in the Office theme. But if you want to make, again, just sweeping changes to the background, the font used, the color of the font and the headings, any paragraph backgrounds, any lines underneath, section titles and things like that, you can do so with that theme. And then, of course, you've got the option to modify at your disposal here. So if you want to use the, what do we use here? We use the Metro theme, but you want to use the Civic color scheme, go right ahead. If you want to use the Civic color scheme and the Metro theme, and then you want to use the Office Classic 2 font, which uses Arial, or Office Classic, which uses a combination of Arial and Times New Roman, again, be my guest. But it's an easy way to make lots of changes to the document at once.